Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, welcome. My name is Jayla, and as you can tell by today's title, it is a tutorial on how to give long feathery layers. So if you want to know how to do that at home, keep on watching. Y'all, I ate though. Like, I really did that on my hair. I can't even. I'm a stylist now. Call me if you need me, if you want to reach me, okay? Because this looks so good. I did this in such a short amount of time, and I left it straight for you guys so y'all can see the real deal. Of course, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to my channel if you like my face, if you just love my vibe. Now let's get into the video. All right, y'all, first things first, jump scare. Very much jump scare. I look crazy from the previous just now, but let's get into it. So the first thing I'm gonna do is section my hair into three sections. Do as I say, not as I do. If you're watching this and you think this would be a great idea, it is not. It is not. I am bored, lazy. I just want to see if I can do it myself. My hair is super long, like. So yeah, we're long, we're dried, we're tired. It's now. So this girl part her hair. Okay. The top part looks good. It's the bottom section. That is as good as it's gonna get right now. Okay. So after you do that, you brush it like in a very, 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 very tight ponytail, so you don't miss anything. I'm gonna give y'all a warning for the next. Oh my eyebrow. For the next couple minutes, your girl's gonna look crazy, but it's the process. Trust the process, y'all. Y'all, my man literally was like, you can't do it, you just go to a salon, go to a salon. So now I have to do it to prove him wrong. So yeah, I can do whatever I want. Your girl look like a unicorn. Couple seconds. My hair is so dry, ew. And I look crazy. I look crazy right now. But let's get into the other ones. And it has to be in the middle of your head, y'all. The middle. The struggle of dry hair. Dry scalp. But I mean, wild, y'all. Make sure that's even. It is not, of course, because it would. Why would it be? Alright, so that's my second section. I don't know if that's even. Hopefully it is. And then we're just going to do the same thing that we did with the first one. Hopefully I can see what I'm doing. Okay. There's that one and the last one. Okay, just check to see how long my hair actually was. Yeah. I feel like I'm getting in a fight and somebody's pulling my hair. Alright, y'all. Alright, y'all. Now that I like My Little Pony, as you can see. So I bought these shears. Again, do as I say, not as I do. From Target for like $13. You probably should get more expensive shears, but I did not, so. Okay. But look how cute they are. Like marble. Nice. Y'all see that? No, they're like marble. So cute. Okay. Let's start with your project. So the first thing is, the first one you do, make sure it's all combed out. Oh, I'm so scared. So the first thing is flatten it out, flatten it out, flatten it out, and decide where you want to cut. I'm just gonna start here. Oh my god, I'm gonna scream. That's a lot of hair. So look how straight that is. Well, not quite, but enough. And then we're just gonna go on up. Oh, my hands are tired already. I really don't know what this does. But child, they be doing it at the salon, so I know, saw it on TikTok. So let me tell y'all, about just now that people just thought I had OnlyFans, which is wild to me. I posted a story, and in the background I had an OnlyFans sign, right? And I was like, oh, it's a cute picture. Like, my husband took the picture, y'all. He legit took the picture. So like, oh, it's a cute little vibe, cute little picture. So I took it. And mind you, y'all, I do not do OnlyFans. So I post a picture, and I have links in my bio for YouTube and Amazon. So if y'all don't know already, Instagram shows you external link tabs on your pictures. Like if, oh, I liked your profile, I saw this picture. This picture is why I went to your link. Why did 32 people click my link tab? So y'all out here think I had OnlyFans? I don't. Nothing against OnlyFans girlies. I love it. Get your bag. I have friends who do OnlyFans. That's not the problem. The problem is y'all thought I had OnlyFans, knowing I am very much married, mom of whatever. So shame on y'all. Very much shame on y'all for thinking that I had OnlyFans. Like, what in the hell? Child, my mama. Anyway, okay. So I did that one. Now it's time for the next one. So they say to do this one at the same length you did the other one. If you know what I'm saying. Like, see, say this one's like lower or whatever. Like, try to do the same. This needs to get on my way. So I cut off about like 2 inches though. Good for me. Why did this feel like a bigger snap than the first one? Another clean cut. Can't tell if it looks like that on camera because the angle I'm standing at. But I'm trying to show you guys the good angles, y'all. Okay, this one gotta go. Y'all, I had to move that other one out the way because it was getting on my nerves. So, and I think it's time for you. Or no, and I think I'm sorry. Your girlfriend. I'm leaving. Y'all, my friends who cut hair are gonna watch. It's like, girl, what's going on? Y'all, I needed my haircut. I got a trip next week. I think this one's good. Y'all, watch my hair be botched when I'm done with this, and I'm gonna cry. And last but not least, the back. This is gonna be the most difficult one because it's all the way in the back. Okay. And that one's good for the last layer. So, moment of truth, y'all. Moment of truth. I'm gonna take this one out first. Ooh, Lord. I'm also gonna style it and stuff, so we see what it actually looks like. Cause right now it just looks like cut. Oh, I cut so much, but good for me. Okay, now I'm going to cut this off though. Woo. Okay. Like, truthfully though, it doesn't look bad. Like, not styled or anything. Like, frizz, I've had this hair, not hair in, but like, not done my hair for a week. It's just like layers. Let's see, I normally wear in a side part. Oh, that's gonna eat. That is gonna eat, okay? Okay, I need to wash it. But okay, so I also saw this girl. She took just like a tiny bit here. Look at the triangle. Here, right? Put it all the way on this side and then cut. So it's like layers, you feel me? Oh, that ate just now. That looks so pretty. Oh my God, hold on. I'm getting all excited, y'all, hold on. Y'all, I cannot believe this turned out so cute. Wait till y'all see the vision. This is really gonna eat, y'all. Okay, so again, with the corner, look emo too, heck. Y'all, layers are gonna eat every time, y'all, every time. So I'm gonna take a shower. Whoa, whoa. I think I left too much at the bottom, but easy fix, y'all, easy fix. Like, look how like pretty much even that turned out. Just kidding. Y'all, the difference in length is wild, wild. And I think it's you. Just kidding. All right, y'all, I'm gonna go wash my hair and blow dry it and show y'all the final look. So excited.
You and your beautiful wife, Cardi B.
Y'all, look at that feather layering, y'all. You see it, y'all. This side ain't again, but y'all came out so pretty. Y'all, I ate, devoured. I'm never going to his house again. It's beautiful, okay? I know I don't want to mess with it, but I know you can see the little swoop. Y'all, I did such a good job. I did so good. Not to my horn toot, but it looks so good. Like a very like minimal haircut. Like I could have cut more and I feel like it still would have looked just as good. So this was a win, y'all. Look, it's like obviously like remember when I was doing the whole, this is where like this comes in. Y'all, she looks so good. And like I didn't cut too much off, you feel me? Like this side as well. Look, I hope you guys can see this on camera, like it's clear enough for you guys to see. But y'all, I'm gonna turn around and show you guys the back. Doesn't it look so like I got it done at the salon is the word I'm looking for. I was gonna curl it, but I don't want to take away from what I did because I want to show y'all like a genuine reaction. Because you know how when people curl it, you're hiding something. It's an illusion. I could be botched, and it would still look good if I curled it. But I wanted to leave it straight to show you guys the actual final result. And yeah. Alright, y'all, that is it for my tutorial on how to cut long layers, cut my hair with me, whatever you want to call it. I hope you guys enjoyed it just as much as I enjoyed the final result. Again, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys later. Bye.